necessarily looking for perfection, but I just want them to look better than what they used to. So we come back with some silver and then some clear. That's one coat. So usually I do a coat in one direction, and then I'll turn this way and do a coat in another direction to make sure I got it all. I'll give you an example. Ready? Just a light mist coat too. Don't need nothing crazy. I know some people like to try to get all the angles and stuff, but I've noticed with silver, it won't lay out nice. It'll be uneven. But if you do it in a crosshatch, like so, you're probably better off. So now we got one direction. Alright, so I sprayed it this way last time. So now I'm gonna turn it. Go opposite of what I did. Now you notice, pretty much got all of it. I might need some touch-ups on the inside right there, but for the most part, I got it already. I'll probably put the camera down so I can actually do it. I'm trying to hold it while I'm doing this at the same time. It's a little bit more difficult. Not bad, right? I'll put this down, do some touch-up spots, and I'll come back with the clear coat. So I decided to clear coat these two because they look so bad for the car. But I'm also gonna do clear coat on the wheels, although I kind of like them in matte. But I'm gonna add some clear to that and do the marker. So I'll do the marker first. Not bad, right? Let's see if I can get it from an angle. Should have took the screw out. Well, there'll be a clean screw. Hit the wheels now. Like I said before, I do one direction and then I overlap it in the opposite direction. See if I can hold the camera at the same time. So I'm gonna do another coat just so they look half decent and make sure the clear don't come off later or any other issues. But these aren't supposed to be perfect. All they do is just put like a little center cap on there, and then you put the lugs on it. I just didn't want them to look so bad with the new paint job. So I'll show you a picture and maybe some videos after it's all completed. I'm gonna throw one more coat on there. Alright, I got a little bit of a wider angle view now. Let's see if it'll work better. Not bad. Might be too good for the car is going on, but you know. So I'm gonna do another coat on these, and then I'll check back in. I'll shoot another video with the wheels on the car this afternoon before I put it on the ground. All right. All finished up. Not bad, right? I mean, honestly, it wasn't even supposed to look this good. Just might clash with everything else.